Hey, welcome to another broadcast of Master Investors Company. Glad to be here again with another 15 minutes workout challenge. I hope you got started with your challenge. And if you're new to this video in our company or in our community here at Master Investor, then make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get notifications when we upload a valuable video like this one. And also check out our other playlist with financial education if you're interested in learning how to build passive income, okay? How to create more freedom for your life and how to build your asset column with cash flowing assets, aka passive income. That is how you're going to reach financial independence and also build true wealth, okay? If you don't have time to do the things that you love, then you need to change the way you make money, okay? You need to ask yourself, how do you make your money today, and understand that there are other ways, and the best way to make money is by building passive income, okay? That's the income of the ultra rich. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our 15 minutes workout. Make sure you stretch. I already did that. We're gonna do a little bit of cardio exercises. I always suggest that you incorporate some sort of ab workout in your 15 minutes exercise every day, and also some cardio, right? Because we need to compensate our activities with cardio training as well, okay? Not just doing weights or doing exercises that don't have any cardio involved, okay? So you can actually get a lot done in 15 minutes. I always end up sweating so much by the time we're done. And it's amazing because if you keep that going for the long term, you're going to see tremendous results. Every week you're going to start losing weight. Every day you're going to lose weight, okay? It's all about building the good habit of doing it every day, okay? Working out every day, investing in your health and also your wealth, right? Your education, financial education specifically, to help you create true wealth, okay? And live through your purpose in life. All right, we're gonna start right now. I hope you're having a fantastic day from whatever part of the world you are. Make sure you leave us a comment below. And if you have any questions, drop it below. I'm gonna come back and answer those for you. And also check out all the links that I'm gonna leave in the description. A lot of them are free resources that you can take advantage of today. Also, tools that will help you build passive income. Read one of our ebooks, enroll in one of our wealth courses on our main website. You're gonna find a lot of great, valuable content that will help you build freedom and, of course, true wealth, okay? And wealth is measured by the freedom that you have, the time in which you can thrive without having to work for earned income, okay? How long can you go without having to do anything, just the things that you love, and you can still live the life that you want, okay? Not just surviving, but thriving, okay? Meaning that you have investments that are paying you every single day in the form of cash flow, aka passive income. All right, we're gonna start right now. We're gonna do 15 minutes, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cardio. Exercises for you. We're gonna do it right here. Remember, the past 2 days we've been starting with jumping jacks. I'm gonna keep that going because we can actually do that from anywhere, okay? So for those who are watching at home right now, you don't have access to a gym, that is okay. You can start this next to your bed. If you're on vacation, if you at work, take your break and do 15 minutes of exercises. It's going to add up, okay? We're gonna start right now with 3 sets of jumping jacks. Nice and easy. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. good for you. You can do this literally right on your living room, and it's going to help you lose weight. Okay, it's all about the 3 steps that we take here in our community to get in better health. Commit to 15 minutes per day. Do your exercises daily, right? Also have a clean diet. That's step number 2. And number 3, take supplements that will help you with step 1 and 2. Okay? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna do some high knees right here. Set, and then we're gonna do some burpees. Those are really good for you. Everything that I'm doing here, you can also do, okay? You don't need to be in extraordinary shape. You can start with what you can. Ready? Perfect. Okay. And then lower this down. I'm already sweating. Two more of those. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Some abs. All right, 2 more sets. All right. Perfect. We're gonna finish this with some abs right here. All right, ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got 4 minutes left. I'm gonna go to the floor. Maybe I'll just hold it right here for 1 second. I want to get some planks done because this can be done from anywhere. I'm interested that you follow through with some of these exercises. Hold that for 30 seconds. Okay. 5, 3, 2, 1. Do it again. This will help you lose all the belly fat. Okay, do this every day.